Hello guys, welcome to the info channels. I am Ranga from closecareer.com. Today in this video we will learn how to check your labor contract in the United Arab Emirates. There are the two ways you can check. The first, you can check on the MORE website or the Ministry of Human Resources website. The another way is you can check on their official app on the Android or iOS device. Okay, first learn how to check on the website. Open your browsers, type here more in UAE, and the first result is official website of Ministry of the Human Resources, and click on it. Go to the service section, find new inquiries services. Go to here and choose view approved contract. The new page will be open. When you come here, work permit with job offer letter, you can check your job offer or work permit same time, or work permit without a job offer letter. Go here and enter your transaction number, passport number, choose your nationality from here, date of birth, and enter the CAPTCHA. View my transaction. Okay, it is the first way you can check your labor contract in the UAE or the job offer letter. And second one is using their app. Okay, let's go how to check your contract through their official app on your smartphone. Okay, when you open, you do not require to log in this app to check your contract. Go and find here my contract and apply for services. Enter your passport number, your nationality, choose from here which country you belongs to, and date of birth. Okay, when you enter this detail, then submit. If you submit, you will find the result. Okay, thank you guys. Subscribe our channel, share this video to your friend. They may be benefit from it.